Luxury watches are more than just timekeepers. They're masterpieces that blend art, craftsmanship, and status. Whether it's a sleek design or intricate mechanics, each luxury watch tells a story of innovation and elegance. Today, we'll take you through some of the finest luxury watches that define true elegance and leave an everlasting impression. Rolex, the crown of precision. First on our list is the brand that has become synonymous with luxury, Rolex. A Rolex isn't just a watch, it's a statement. You've probably heard the saying, "If you know, you know," and Rolex perfectly embodies that vibe. Take the Rolex Day Date, affectionately called the President's Watch. Worn by leaders like John F. Kennedy and Winston Churchill, this watch has graced the wrists of history makers. Its trademark is the weekdays spelled out in full on the dial, alongside the date. It's as if the watch is saying, "Yes, I can tell you the time, but let me remind you what day your billion-dollar deal is closing." And let's not forget the Submariner, the ultimate tool for divers and style enthusiasts alike. Legend has it that someone once took a Submariner to a depth of 1,000 meters just to test it out, and it came back ticking. That's not just durability, that's a flex. Patek Philippe, timeless elegance. If Rolex is the king, Patek Philippe is the emperor of luxury watches. Their slogan, "You never actually own a Patek Philippe, you merely look after it for the next generation," pretty much sums up their legacy. The Patek Philippe Nautilus is a perfect example of understated elegance. Designed by Gerald Genter, this watch is often considered the holy grail for collectors. It's sporty, yet sophisticated, making it the ideal wrist companion for someone closing deals in a boardroom or relaxing on a yacht. But if you're looking for ultimate craftsmanship, the Patek Philippe Grand Complications collection is where it's at. These watches feature astronomical calendars, perpetual calendars, and minute repeaters. Owning one is like owning a miniaturized version of the universe on your wrist, minus the black holes. Audemars Piguet, the innovator. Audemars Piguet, or AP for those in the know, has been pushing the boundaries of watchmaking since 1875. The Royal Oak, designed by, you guessed it, Gerald Genter, is one of their most iconic pieces. With its octagonal bezel and exposed screws, it turned the luxury watch world upside down in the 1970s. Fun fact, when AP launched the Royal Oak, it was priced higher than a gold watch, even though it was made of steel. People thought they were crazy, but fast forward to today, and the Royal Oak is a status symbol. It's proof that taking risks sometimes pays off, even if it initially leaves people scratching their heads. Cartier, the jeweler of King's Cartier, is a name that exudes sophistication. While they're famous for their jewelry, their watches are equally mesmerizing. The Cartier tank, inspired by World War I military tanks, has been a favorite of style icons like Princess Diana and Andy Warhol. Its clean lines and rectangular case make it a timeless classic. In fact, Andy Warhol once said, "I don't wear a tank watch to tell the time. I wear it because it's the watch to wear." Talk about iconic. Another standout is the Cartier Ballon Bleu, a watch that seems to float on your wrist. Its round, pebble-like design is so unique that it's hard to ignore. Plus, it's a favorite among royalty, including Kate Middleton, which means it has the royal seal of approval. Omega, the watch for adventurers. Omega has been to the moon, literally. The Omega Speedmaster, also known as the Moon Watch, was the first watch worn on the lunar surface. If it can survive space, it can certainly handle your Monday meetings. Omega isn't just for astronauts though. The Seamaster, with its association with James Bond, is the epitome of rugged elegance. Imagine wearing the same watch as 007 while ordering a martini. Shaken, not stirred, of course. Jaeger-LeCoultre, the watchmaker's watchmaker. Jaeger-LeCoultre, or JLC, is the brand other watchmakers turn to for inspiration. Their Reverso model, designed for polo players in the 1930s, features a unique reversible case to protect the dial during matches. It's like having two watches in one. Perfect for indecisive folks who can't choose between sporty, and elegant. Richard Mille, the billionaire's sports watch. If there's a watch brand that screams new money, it's Richard Mille. Known for their futuristic designs and ultra-lightweight materials, Richard Mille watches are often seen on the wrists of athletes and celebrities. Hublot, bold and fearless. Hublot is all about fusion, combining different materials like gold and rubber to create something entirely unique. The Hublot Big Bang is their most recognizable model, and true to its name, it makes a statement. This watch is perfect for someone who wants their wrist to say, "I'm here and I'm fabulous." So what makes a luxury watch truly elegant? Is it the brand, the craftsmanship, or the history behind it? Honestly, it's all of the above. A luxury watch isn't just an accessory, it's an investment, a piece of art, and a reflection of your personality. Whether you're drawn to the timeless elegance of Patek Philippe, the bold innovation of Audemars Piguet, or the adventurous spirit of Omega, there's a luxury watch out there that's perfect for you. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the world of luxury watches. If you're a watch enthusiast or just someone dreaming of owning one of these masterpieces, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And hey, let me know in the comments, which of these watches would you add to your collection, or do you already own one? Until next time, keep ticking in style, and remember, a good watch tells the time, but a great watch tells a story. See you in the next video.